Maharashtra, where a major incident has been reported from Pimpri Chinchwad in Pune, where a waste-to-energy plant building has collapsed near a garbage depot. At least 14 people have been feared trapped under the debris. Police, fire brigade and NDRF teams are carrying out rescue operations, while one injured person has been hospitalized. Authorities are saying efforts are currently underway on a war footing to locate and rescue those who are still trapped. My colleague Paras is now joining us for more details. Paras, what do we know about what led to this collapse?
So this is a major accident which have came into light, and over here a waste to energy project was collapsed, and over here there are total number of 14 people who has been trapped inside this entire structure. Now the NDRF team is trying to rescue them. The NDRF teams are there, local police is there, and many other agencies are there at the spot, and they are trying to locate them and rescue them. There is no such point which can rightly officially said that why this collapse has happened. This is a matter of investigation, and the investigation will be done by the local authorities in this entire matter. But right now 14 people are inside that structure which has collapsed in Pimpri Chinchwad, Pune.
Tell us the extent of rescue operations. What authorities are right now at the spot? What kind of rescue operations are currently underway?
So right now there are NDRF teams which are clearing the structure and trying to rescue people who are trapped inside this very structure. There are machineries which has been used very carefully to locate the people who are trapped inside this entire structure. So there are on war footings. NDRF is taking this rescue operation very seriously and doing this rescue operations very seriously, and they are trying to save all the people. But right now situation is very tense at Pune, Pimpri Chinchwad, because the structure which has collapsed have 14 people inside that structure, and the NDRF team are trying to rescue them.
Okay, so the preliminary detail that we have right now says that the police, fire brigade and NDRF teams are all at the spot to conduct rescue operations at this place where this incident has happened. But from what we have learnt, Paras, there was a garbage dump that collapsed on this depot, which led to this building structure collapsing and eventually 14 people getting stuck inside.
This is the preliminary information which have came into light, but the major thorough investigation will be needed in this entire matter, because what has exact happened there over will be only came out when there will be the proper rescue operation will take place. Right now there is no official confirmation on this entire scenario, how this structure has fallen. It's a matter of investigation. This entire situation is tense at Pune right now at Pimpri Chinchwad, so it will be very important to see how investigation will be done in this entire matter. So we need to wait for the official confirmation how this entire situation has taken place, how this entire structure has collapsed. So it will be important to see that.
Have you been able to speak to any of the officers who have reached the spot, whether it is the police or from the fire brigade or NDRF officials? What are they saying about what kind of methods are they going to deploy in order to rescue those who have been trapped inside?
So right now there is no official word from any of these officials or any of the NDRF or fire brigade, because the important work is right now to rescue people from this entire structure which has fallen down, and the NDRF team, fire brigade team, police team, all are trying to rescue people who was there inside this entire structure. So it will be very important to see how a rescue operation will go on from here. The machineries and NDRF teams and fire brigade teams are at the spot and trying their best to rescue the people who are trapped inside.
Okay, meanwhile we've got some reactions coming in from the spot. Let's listen in. We've got reactions now coming in from the site of this collapse. Very sketchy details coming in. You can see a mound of garbage over there. There was a waste to energy depot at this side. The building, a waste to energy plant that has collapsed We don't know exactly what led to the collapse, but what we do know that there are 14 people who are feared trapped under the debris right now. Rescue operations are on war footing with NDRF, fire brigade and police officials at the spot. Listen in to what the mayor had to say.
ये जो पूरा बारिश हो रहा है पूरे शहर में, इसके लिए पानी का स्तर बहुत बढ़ गया है। इसी की वजह से कचरे का जो पूरा मलबा था वो एक ऑफिस के बिल्डिंग पे गिर गया और ऑफिस का एक स्लैब नीचे आ गया है। उसमें ऑफिस स्टाफ के लोग खाना खा रहे थे। वो 16 लोग है, उसमें से 2 लोग सुखरूप बाहर आ गए हैं और बाकी को रेस्क्यू करने का काम चालू है।
कितने लोगों की इसमें मौत हुई है, कुछ जानकारी मिली है इसमें?
मौत नहीं हुई किसकी, सब सुरक्षित है और अपना अग्निशमन दल, एनडीआरएफ टीम, पुलिस प्रशासन, आरोग्य विभाग, पर्यावरण विभाग सब एक साथ मिलके उनको बाहर निकल रहे हैं।
क्या रीजन हो सकता है?